Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to link Signal app to another phone. Linking Signal to another phone is actually pretty handy once you understand how Signal treats linked devices. I remember expecting it to work like WhatsApp, where everything magically cloned itself. But Signal is a little stricter about privacy. Your main phone stays a primary device tied to your phone number, while the second phone basically acts like a companion device that mirror future chats. Also, old message history usually does not fully transfer, so don't panic when the second device looks suspiciously empty at first, like you just got ghosted by everyone you know. On your main phone, open Signal, tap your profile picture in the top left, then go into Link Devices. On the second phone, install Signal and choose Link to existing account instead of creating a new one. A QR code will appear and you simply scan it using the primary phone. After naming the device, messages should start syncing going forward. Just remember that if you lag out or uninstall Signal from the main phone, the linked devices stop working too, because Signal treats the primary phone like the boss of the entire operation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.